Why this story? Bhima the Sleepyhead. Every child loves to sleep and hates to wake up early. I do enjoy my Sunday late waking. This story, Bhima the Sleepyhead, has a theme of domestic animals, the sounds that they make, and their relationship with us. There are plenty of discussion points in this story, and it might be worthwhile to discuss the different strategies that you use to wake up your child and maybe wake up other people in the house too. Go ahead, enjoy the story.
Bhima the Sleepyhead. Bhima loves to sleep and just cannot get up early. Ramu the washerman scolds Bhima often. One day, Gauri the cow asked him, Bhima, why are you so sad? Bhima said, I cannot get up early and Ramu shouts at me every day. Will you wake me up every morning, please? Yes, I will, said Gauri. Early next morning, Gauri moved loudly. But Bhima did not wake up. Coming back from the river in the evening, Bhima met Moti the dog. I can never get up in the morning on time. Will you wake me up? Bhima asked Moti. Yes, I will, said Moti, and the next morning he barked and barked. But did Bhima wake up? No, sir. That evening, Bhima met Chinu, the rooster. He said to Chinu, You crow in the morning and everybody wakes up. Will you wake me up too? Chinu agreed. The next morning, Chinu crowed long and loud. But Bhima did not wake up. The next evening, Bhima saw Kalu the crow cawing away happily. Kalu, will you wake me up in the morning, please? He asked. Kalu said, Why not? I will caw and wake you up. The next morning, Kalu cawed all he could. Caw, caw. But Bhima did not wake up. Bhima was sad. The next morning, a fly came and sat on his nose. Bhima got up with a big sneeze. Wow! I woke up. How did I wake up? He asked in wonder. I woke you up, said the fly. Will you wake me up like this every morning early? Sure, said the fly. Bhima was happy. Now he would have no problem getting up early every morning.